What is this that you found here in nature?
Beaver tree.
And how can you tell?
Because that's what a beaver tree looks like.
What is a beaver tree? What are they going to use these trees for?
Build their dam
Why do they build their dam?
to irrigate water and build their homes.
And then to trap fish behind it, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, here's another one that got cut off by a beaver. See that sharp beaver cut off?
Over here too.
Oh yeah, there's another one.
Over here, and over here.
I wonder how the beaver drags these branches to its lodge. I don't.
Probably gnaw them up.
They
into
don't have
smaller
hands.
pieces. Yeah, they do.
Beavers do not have hands.
Yes. Beavers have hands.
What?
What? Did you expect them to walk around like this?
They have paws.
Yeah, not opposable hands. Those are still hands.
Are they?
Even a dog technically has.
It's going to be our next discussion topic on Canvas. Do beavers and dogs have hands?
Yep, it's classified not just.
Dogs have paws, beavers have hands.
Yep,
There it is. Dogs have paws, beavers have hands.
yep. Just